Welcome. In front of me I have the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. We have a single pull tab right here. Hopefully I don't need to cut this. There we go. Oh, it was just a little pouch for the moisture. So I'm just gonna plop that back in with the hopes that it's gonna go. Okay, and here we get instruction, so not even gonna bother opening that up. And we got this relatively nice looking pouch. The tripod itself, which let's see if I can figure out how to. Oh, there we go, that's one. And oh, it automatically boots up when you flip it open, right? We need to also do this. There we go. So it looks like it's not gonna do anything till it has some kind of phone connected, I think. As you can see, it's not really, it's just keeping it locked and nothing else outside of that. Oh, and there was the power button on the M. Oh, that's cool. So when you turn it off, it automatically goes to the position where you can just fold it up like so and lock it into position. Now, inside here we have another little accessory. Come on. Oh. There we go. So we get Type-C to Type-C dual like 90-degree cable. Then we get a Type-C to Type-C, just straight cables. And we get, can take that out. There we go, so that's one. So it looks like a phone clamp that is magnetically gonna attach here. Pretty strongly actually, wow. I like smacked in there. And we get our little camera flash module, which you attach right here, like so. And there we go. Let's just grab a phone too, so you'll see that in action. Now this doesn't have too much room, so let's see. Okay, so it fits my relatively small phone, which is the S25. Now let's see if I flip this up like so. Wow, it barely clears the bottom right here the way I put it in right now. And it's actually flipping now. Uh-oh. It's actually... There we go. So the camera is already on, or I think at least it is, as there is like a red light. And as you can see, I can already be moving it around, and it's also semi-locked. As long as I don't do some weird movements where it just kind of prevents it from going that far. But you can see right now, oh, moved it a little bit too far. So there we go. Obviously for this you would be using also an application, so you can pair it to the phone. It is trying to Bluetooth connect to the device, so that's one thing that you probably want to obviously do when using this. I'm just using it right here as a demonstration how it just kind of works out of the box. So there we go. Now turn it off. And yoink. I can Alright, one thing that you can actually easily do is instead of trying to take out your phone out of this, you can just pop it off of the magnet, which, like I mentioned before, is really strong. Like, there is no way this phone is falling off, as you can see. Like, this is holding pretty strongly, and even if I like pop it off kind of just a little bit, it still like has magnet that is holding it right here. You can see just at one point it lets go. So yeah, this is holding it really in place, so you shouldn't worry about this just popping off by accident. The only time it might pop off if you literally drop the entire thing. Now, one thing that I didn't talk about right here is the built-in tripod. So just move that out of the way. So you pull it out, and then you have a little kickstand right here, and voila, super easy to pull out this tripod. There we go. And another thing is this, a little extension rod. It is a bit challenging to pull out right here, but there we go. That's as far as it goes by the looks of it, right? Yep. So it's not going to be collapsing, as you can see easily. I do need to put force on it to actually just fold it. There we go. And it folds neatly out of the way, so it never really gets in your way. So anyway, that's about everything that there is. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.